Çesme is a coastal gem that radiates the beauty of the Aegean Sea. With beautiful beaches and an ancient history spanning back thousands of years, Çesme is a jewel of Turkey. Its name comes from the Turkish word meaning spring, reflecting its abundance of fresh water that has been sustaining local inhabitants for thousands of years. We'll learn the history of Çesme, from its beautiful castle to its seafaring past. Explore this breathtaking port city, a destination for those seeking sand, surf, and sun. Çesme is a city with an illustrious past. Founded by Greek settlers in the 7th century BC, it has been influenced by different civilizations, Romans, Byzantines, and Ottomans, all leaving behind a cultural legacy. Its location made it an important player in shipping. From its harbor, ships carrying goods like textiles, pottery, and precious metals established trade routes that still exist today. In a testament to the past, Çesme Castle remains a sight to behold. This is why the majestic castle continues to draw visitors from around the world. Today, it's an intriguing snapshot on how this fortification has changed over time. Living in a castle would not have been easy. The castle was a point of defense in the Ottoman Empire. If you were a soldier, you were on the front line duty to protect and patrol, guarding against any potential threats. Serving in the Ottoman Empire in the 15th and 16th centuries was a responsibility like no other. These brave soldiers were the tip of the spear for an empire that spanned 3 continents. As a soldier of the castle, you had to be prepared for an invasion by foreigners or pirates. It was your duty to protect not only the walls of the castle, but all the territories near them from an attack. Beyond just manning the walls and watching for enemies, you had to maintain this fortification, also maintain weapons and fix broken armor. As a soldier, you would have had to undergo rigorous training such as archery, swordsmanship, and also horsemanship. The Ottomans were renowned for their military prowess. The Janissaries, as they were called, were the most respected and feared warriors of their times. As part of the empire, communications between outposts were crucial. You would have had to been coordinating with other Ottoman forces, also keeping track of local developments for possible invasions. Soldiers who held these responsibilities experienced great pride in defending one of the most powerful empires in the world. Established in the 14th century, the Ottoman Empire's navy rose from humble beginnings to become one of the most important maritime forces in history. Umar Bey was a master of the ocean. His years spent at sea provided him with the wisdom to train and advise sailors on how best to navigate through treacherous waters. He also devised strategies that would guide them through the most difficult naval battles. The bustling harbor that you see today is a modern-day reflection from the town's long-standing maritime traditions. The Turkish Riviera, also located along the turquoise coast, is located on the Mediterranean coastline in Turkey. But in my mind, even though Çesme is on the Aegean coast, this is the start of the Turkish Riviera. After decades of development, Çesme has grown to become a premier tourist destination. From high-end hotels and marinas to cozy family accommodations, this coastal town offers something for everyone. A true outdoor wonderland, this region provides a large range of recreational activities. Both locals and visitors can explore swimming, sailing, and windsurfing in this sports paradise. Thanks to consistent winds, Çesme is particularly well known for windsurfing. The Aegean Sea is also a haven for sailing, offering opportunities to hire boats and take guided tours, as well as being able to sign up for sailing lessons. From this archipelago of Eurasia, a little-known fact is that the most famous Greek islands are only 5 to 10 miles off the Turkish coast. An island off the coast of Çesme is Shyros. It is steeped in ancient history. The district is home to the picturesque town of Alaçatı, where tourism and commerce work side by side. The unique township continues to be an economic powerhouse within the region. I came back from Çesme after my summer visit to find a slower city. All the tourists had gone back to their real lives, and a lot of the shops had shuttered for the off-season. Also, the pandemic had taken its toll on this community. Just like my home I lived in for 27 years, Laguna Beach. Tourist towns live on a razor's edge, so dependent on the number of legs that walk through the streets. You have both good years and bad. However, with a double whammy like a pandemic and the devaluation of the Turkish lira, all of that on top of 2 major earthquakes that killed nearly 50,000 people, you can only take so many hits before you have to retreat to your corner and come back to fight another day. Make no mistake, the Turkish people always come back. These lands have been ruled by different empires for the last 3,000 years. Now the people of this republic know what they have to do. They have to wake up, open their shops, bake the bread, catch the fish, raise the crops, milk the cows, put wood on the stove to feed the children. I'm eternally grateful that God gave me the chance to live long enough to meet these wonderful people, and I've been invited to this rich, rich culture. These are my last looks. Please like and subscribe. Join us as we show you the world. These are my last looks.